Hi, JC. Happy Mother's Day.
Hello there,
Hello.
Orly.
Uh,
Kamusta ka, friend? Thank
Kamusta ka,
you.
friend? We're doing okay.
Yesterday,
We have to,
yesterday was Mother's Day, but we are still celebrating Mother's Day today. Di
yeah.
ba?
We were talking
It's a matter of
we were talking yesterday about this episode because it's a very special. We're going to make it more special. And the fact that we are that days are challenging, life is challenging each day. Kinakailangan nating ano talaga maging masaya, and one of the reasons why we have a special episode today is because of the guest that we have later on. So
hey, first
before we
because
call,
it's Mother's Day. First, it's because it's Mother's Day.
yeah.
Yesterday, but we're celebrating it today as well. And two, we have a very interesting topic. And third, of course, and the most important, ay meron tayong special guest, tulad nga ng sabi
Correct. But
mo.
before we call in, kamustahin muna kita. Kamusta ang Mother's Day celebration? Did you go out? Or alam ko, takot ka lumabas,
Na
di ba?
I don't think going out,
Did you do
going
something
out
for the
even
family
often
or anyone from the family cook for you? Anong nangyari?
do the cooking all the time.
You
But my
do the
husband went out,
cooking all
get
the time.
bouquet and
That's the
all,
saddest
the
part.
usual stuff.
That's the saddest part. I don't know of being a mother, but in your case, I think you are so happy to serve the members of your family.
Right, yeah. We would have loved to, go out and celebrate at a nice, cozy restaurant, but we didn't do that, for obvious reasons. But then we celebrated here at home. My husband just gave me a nice bouquet of flowers. These are some of
Oh,
them.
really? Wonderful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, may
So it's
kapalit
always
yan. May
may
kapalit yan sa
I have
Father's Day naman. Father's Day.
June 21. 21. Oh, did you know that in some parts of the world, Mother's Day is not actually celebrated on in May. It's usually
In May.
celebrated in March. UK, for example,
Oh,
Mother's Day in March. So kaya nga medyo awkward kapag bumati ka ng Happy Mother's Day, and then you'd realize na teka, they don't celebrate Mother's Day, they celebrate in March because they come from a different time zone. So, but for us Filipinos, just like US and India, we do celebrate Mother's Day in May. Right, okay. Kamusta po kayo mga ka-friend, ka-global at ka-FI? Welcome to our program. This is Kamusta Ka Friend. I think this is our third episode, Orly, right?
okay. And
I think
this is, ano daw?
we
This
are
is
going to be
very special because we're giving away a special, Mother's Day gift. I don't know. It could be a gift for your special mom or special someone.
right. Yeah, our one of our partners will be giving away tonight in this program right here a gold jewelry, right? A gold bracelet, correct? A gold
Yeah,
bracelet.
okay. So
As a matter of
paano
fact,
papaano nila ma-avail yung prize? Paano nila
it's
mapapanalunan yung prize?
it's gonna be a random pick. So we will be
Okay.
discussing a very important topic today. We're going to be discussing happiness, finding happiness in the midst of crisis, in the midst of pandemic. Kasi marami ng anxiety and fear. It's increasing among all walks of life nowadays. Whether you are rich or poor or man, woman, it doesn't really matter. Lahat tayo nakakaramdam ng anxiety because of the pandemic, because of the lockdown, because of the effect and the possible aftermath of COVID-19. But then again, heto nga, meron nga tayong pasurpresa. Ang topic natin, how do we find happiness in the midst of crisis, in difficult times?
Exciting. So we will know
Yes.
a lot of things. Ang daming how, 'di ba? Na ang daming may i-share ng taong ito sa atin. This is a
Right.
very interesting one.
And dahil gusto natin na pasiyahin ang ating viewers, mga live viewers, hello po sa inyong lahat. We are going to be giving away a gold bracelet. Of course, that's from our partner,
Are we
Kabayan Jewelry. Thank you,
Kabay
Kabayan
Jubilee?
Jewelry.
Thank you very much. Are we giving away
Yes,
the one on your the one that you're wearing right
I
now?
am wearing, I'm wearing a
Mamaya naman siya
I'm
gano'n.
wearing a nice set of jewelry. Ayan,
Yeah, we
meron
are
siyang
provided actually by Kabaya Jewelry. Ayan. Kaya medyo
locket.
mukha tayong ano ngayon, mukha tayong pinagpala. Ah, 'di ba?
And how do our viewers actually could get a chance of winning a gold bracelet? Simple lang po, you just join in, share the video, and you know what? Kapag may tinanong po kami, just type in your answers, or if we ask you to share your insight about something, please feel free to comment. We will randomly pick from the viewers, from the commenters. Yan, may word ba na ganun, commenters?
Mhm, mhm. Ayan. Let's ask ano, may someone who is beside me right now. And let's ask Reeve.
Okay.
Okay, later on. So let's
Early, let's go. Let's do this. Come on, let's invite our very special guest. And I'm so excited.
yeah. Our special guest for this Monday, for this Mother's Day episode, is a transformational speaker and author at the same time. I would like to call in Reeve Abelarde on the house right now.
Hello. Hi,
Ayan.
Vicky.
Hi.
Hi, Orly. Good
Happy
evening sa lahat
Mother's
po.
Day.
Thank you. JC, Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Kaya lang, Jay, sinabi mo kanina na tama nga, in the Middle East, iba yung Mother's Day nila dito. But nevertheless, dapat naman kasi every day should be Mother's Day, di ba?
Yeah.
Exactly. May pinapanood po akong video the other day, and I'm sure a lot of people have already seen that video, which actually says, motherhood is a ministry, and it's the toughest job in the world. It's 24/7. You don't get to get pay, and you don't have a sick leave. You don't have
You don't have a day
vacation.
off. Yeah.
That's
You
true.
don't. You cannot resign to be a mom.
That's true. Kasi isipin mo ha, every single individual, a mom was responsible for that person worldwide.
Right.
Di ba? Think about it.
So
Diba?
pretty as
Yun.
always, no?
Oh,
Sleeping is so beautiful, Miss Reeve Abelarde.
you're so kind. Pero alam mo yung maganda dito, I can
In
see
the
your
middle of pandemic, anong nangyayari? Bakit
ang
ganyan
ganda ng
kakaganda?
gold din yung dalawa, ha, I have to say.
You're
Okay.
right. FI ka-friend at ka-global, did you know that Miss Riv Abelarde is actually established author? Ayan. I was like looking up for your books, and there was one, I really want to have a copy of them. But then again, tatlo na po yan, ano? Tatlong books na po yun. One, you have the Me Time, and then you have Your Child, the Champion, and then Be You, How to Be Free and Attract Success. Ayan, parang napaka-interesting po na yung topic. Very positive.
Yes. All you have to do, Jace, is you send me your mailing address after this and I'll send you one. O, di ba?
That's your dream, di ba?
You have one early, di ba? I
Excuse
hope
me,
you're
I
ready.
had, I have already the first book, I think.
The
Yeah.
last book.
Ba't
Sige.
hindi mo ako binigyan
Last.
early?
Yeah, because JC was asking me before kung paano magkakamera siya ng copy because she's so interested to
Oh.
to
I
create
Google-
an episode about authors na yung mga kababayan natin talaga na mga
That's nice.
author of book, di ba? So
Oh,
now this
I
is
have
Yeah,
I've been,
all
like,
the
talking
books are available through Amazon.
Yes, I saw that. I was telling Orly that, we should celebrate the achievements of Filipinos worldwide, especially here in GCC. And we have a lot of authors. And when I saw yours, and I'm like, okay, this is my genre, self-development.
There you go. I'll send you one. No problem.
This me is genre. Okay, all right. So, mga kababayan at ka-FI ka-friend, again, ang topic po natin is finding happiness in the midst of a crisis.
you still have. Yeah, my
Oh.
yeah. First my
Banata
question.
na
May question
natin
ka ba? Mabanata na ba natin? Babanata na. Okay, but before I throw in my first question to Reeve, I would like to thank, baka makalimutan ko, thank her for very much for making it, for making her time with us right now. At alam kong nakaka-positive din yung mga yung mga post mo every now and then, every day, no, regularly. Nakakakuha ako doon. Do you think yung question ni kanina ni JC, may happiness rin ba sa ganitong pagkakataon? Do you think how we can find happiness like what you have right now?
Yeah, definitely. Because ganito yan eh. The whole essence of yung tao kasi iniisip palagi, my happiness is dependent on my condition. No, it shouldn't be. It has to be dependent on your decision. So happiness is there. You just have to decide. And then I can, you know.
Pakiulit po yun, Ma'am Reeve. Happiness is not dependent on your condition. It's dependent on your
decision.
Yeah, I love
every day, JC, every day I always tell people around me, like every time, if I see my staff or anyone, I'd always say, you have a superpower. Sasabihin nila, ano po yun, ma'am? Your choice. You can always choose to be happy. You can choose. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you, siguro mamaya ko na ito ipakita. I have a little frame here in my corner dito sa workstation ko kasi di ba tayo ngayon, we have to work from home. So I created a happy corner. Yung workstation ko. Yes, around it, if you look around it, it's photos of my family, things that make me happy. So parang and then my daughter, who's back home in the Philippines, sabi niya, you shouldn't have a happy corner. You should have a happy space everywhere. So every place has to be, talagang may happiness,
Filled up with
Oo.
Ma'am Reeve.
Yes, please call me Rev lang. Jace.
Rev. Sorry.
Rev or Reeve?
Rev.
It's Rev. Okay. Reeve.
Okay.
Christopher Reeve, the Superman. Okay.
Meron pa akong follow-up na question. Alam natin, it's not easy to be happy. Alam mo, there are a lot of books written about happiness. There are a lot of podcasts you can listen to about happiness. Why do you think happiness is so difficult to attain for millions of people? Alam niyo po yun, even I myself, I am guilty of that. Dumarating sa panahon na bakit parang ang lungkot, bakit hindi pa po pwedeng maging masaya?
Yeah.
Madalas marinig natin.
Yeah, that's a very good question. As a matter of fact, as we were starting, one of the things na iniisip ko kanina, sabi ko, lahat ng tao iba yung habol eh. Some people look for success. Some people look for love. Some people look for material gains. Lahat ng yun, iba-iba siya. Maybe the vehicle to get there is different, but the ultimate reason bakit gusto nila yun is because that makes them happy. Okay? Maybe sa ibang tao, happiness nila is pera. Sa iba, success. Sa iba, marriage. Sa iba, whatever, fulfillment. But the core of it is lahat ng tao hinahanap yung happiness. Why is it difficult? Because most people look for it outside. It's not there. Wala naman talaga eh. I even think, okay, I have to say this talaga. This, I think, is the most important core of the message is the reason why the pandemic, I believe, was allowed by God to happen, was divinely allowed, is the fact that talagang sobra na tayong tumitingin sa labas. We have been living over the last generation, several decades, sa labas, lahat-lahat, vanity. Everything is always outward. We judge people by the way they look, by how they achieve things. Wala nang masyadong tumitingin sa loob. So now, we can't go out. We don't have a choice. We have to look inwards. I think it's a blessing.
There's so many,
blessing. Kaya lang, it's hard to consider it that way. Again, I'm just trying to play the other side here, just for us to be able to tackle every aspect of. Yeah, it's so difficult to attain that and to understand that, especially when you have a lot of friends who are suffering, who are manifesting the symptoms of COVID-19, for example.
Yes,
people are dying out there. People are losing their jobs. Companies are shutting down and filing for bankruptcy and all. So it's quite difficult to understand and difficult to introspect. Alam niyo po yun, yung parang I don't get it. I don't understand why is this happening to me. Ano yung pwedeng gawin ng mga manonood natin ngayon para maging maramdaman nila yung happiness despite of what's happening around us? And Ma'am Rev, before you answer that, we would like to encourage our viewers, hello po sa inyo lahat, kamusta po kayong lahat? Please, if you have any insights about how can you be happy in this time, in these difficult times, please feel free to throw in your comments at the comment section, and we'll be reading that out. Maybe we'll shout out to you guys, or we can even shout out to your loved ones and friends out there in across time zones. So please feel free to do so. So, ma'am, over to you.
Yes.
Reeve.
Okay, thanks for that, Jace. Totoo, mahirap yun. As a matter of fact, as Orly said, I post. And one of the things that I posted early on nung nangyayari yung lockdown was the fact that I said one day, I just cried. I just wept. Umiyak lang talaga ako, and I couldn't even find the reason. I said, was I lonely? Not really. I said, was I feeling afraid? Maybe. But I think, in fact, I figured it out after a while. I wept for a few minutes. After that, alam mo yun, pag umiiyak ka, you're on your own, and then you reflect. I figured it out. I'm grieving. And I was grieving, and hindi lang ako yun. You are grieving. Orly's grieving. Everyone else, a lot of our viewers right now, they were grieving. They are grieving. Some of our friends right now, nag-grieve pa rin yun all over the world. Hindi lang kasi may kilala tayo or may alam tayong nangyayari. It's because collectively, tao tayo, we are connected, whether we realize it or not. We are made of the same bloodline, if you come to think of it. So we're one family. Eh, kahit na hindi mo alam o hindi mo kilala, you're a part of that. Pag namatay yung, like in the thousands in Italy, we're grieving for that. And ultimately, yung nangyayari sa atin is we are grieving for something that we are familiar with. Yung kilala natin, the normal life. I'm telling you right now, I can even say this, the life that we know, that we're accustomed to, hindi na talaga tayo babalik dun eh. As a matter of fact, kanina lang I was going through online. I was trying to order yung washable masks. Kasi yung ginagamit natin ng mga 3-ply ganon, this is just temporary. Eventually, masks will become a part of our clothing. Ganun na yun eh. Part na yan ng ano natin, panamit natin. Oo.
Na siya.
Ano na talaga siya. And social distancing, I think, ngayon, we will be more careful where we go, what we touch. Iba na talaga yung buhay natin. And this, what we're doing right now dito sa StreamYard, this is the future. Ito na yun. This is the normal. And yun, look at Orly. See? Fashionable. In na yan. We do our orientations dati. Just about 2 months ago, I would do weekly, every weekend, 2 orientations with 30, 50 people. Nakamix ko yan. Ngayon, hindi na. I cannot do that anymore. And I don't think we'll ever go back to that. So, we are grieving. We are sad. But here's the thing. Yung sadness, it's a natural process. It's a natural process. Our heart has to break. But at the same time, it's the same heart that has the power to attract what you want to attract. If you are sad, you will only attract sadness. Now, you need to be strong and shift from sadness to positivity. So you will attract positivity. Para naman, you are positive enough to affect everyone else that's hurting. Kasi kung sad ka na, sad na sila, eh sad lahat, walang mangyayari. Somebody has got to generate positivity. Somebody has to be strong. And that's you.
Ano nga daw sabi na po nila, the emotions that you emit to everybody, to the people around you, it's very contagious. If you are sad, it makes the other people around you sad as well. So why not emit and project happiness, right?
Yes. Scientifically.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, just to continue, there are so many dreams that fail right now. I just want you to share. Yeah, diba? How can one still turn his or her dream into reality, considering that cases are coming up every day and parang nawawalan na tayo ng pag-asa. So kahit ayoko maging negative, but I just want to ask Reeve on how to deal with yung mga plans na hindi natuloy dati, 'di ba? May ang dami nating plans na hindi natin napaghandaan, nagpiglang ganito ang mangyayari. Travel, even Mother's Day. Others are preparing something for Mother's Day long beforehand when COVID is not yet around. So, paano 'yun?
Orly, if I may add to that question, I think to highlight it even more, I think what Orly's trying to say is that there are wedding plans. There are
Correct. Yeah.
payment
Debut,
plans,
weddings, diba? A lot.
graduations. Everything was aborted. It's
Yes.
because of the pandemic.
So how do we deal with that?
How do we
How
deal
do
with
we
that?
deal with that? Yeah.
I use these two words, okay? The two P's. Number one, pause. Okay? That's the first P, pause. The second P is pivot. Kasi pag naglalakad ka at nag-pause ka, yung pivot, you need to take a different turn. Sometimes we are told to pause kasi nga, baka yung direction natin hindi tama. And ultimately, frustration, whether sa relationship, sa business, whatever, usually pag, di ba husband and wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, yung frustration doon is because of expectation. Pag masyado tayong attached sa expectation of the end result, we become disappointed. But if we become trusting that, ay teka, baka hindi nga ito yung dapat sa akin. So we'll be able to flow towards a different direction. Pause and pivot. In fact, I was saying this, even my own daughter, di ba, we are into migration consultancy. My own daughter was going to a different country for college. And because of this, kami din po, nag-pivot. We had to shift to a different college, a different country, not just a college. And I'm talking of a future for her. So instead of saying na, ay, bakit ganun? Wala na lang. You're like, obviously, God closed that door. He has a better one. I think all of this, pag, the key words that we need to remember, yung sinabi ko was pause and then pivot. And then the key thing that will always result in unhappiness is when you have attachment to the end result, yung expectation. So if you have dreams, dreams are good. We all have to have dreams. Otherwise, wala na tayong reason, wala na excitement to get up in the morning, di ba? You don't want to wake up and get out of bed. But dreams are good, but don't be too attached to the end result. Kasi end result mo lang yun eh. But, you know, if you have to trust that there is a bigger being, a God that loves you more than you love yourself, for sure yung plans niya is better. So I think trust is the big thing. Dreams may be on pause. A lot of people, I have to tell you this, I'm shifting my website, my personal website right now is under construction because I'm shifting it. I'm using my certification for life coaching kasi alam ko that during and after this, a lot of people will enter into depression. And I'm seeing it with my friends. I'm seeing it everywhere. A lot of people are lost. They need direction. Even I myself, I need help. So talagang we all need to support each other. We need to remind each other na you just have to trust that pag buhay ka, there's got to be someone that is leading you. So don't play God.
Do you believe, Rev, that this too shall pass? We hear that from government officials, from leaders, you know, just to motivate people to just fight. Laban lang ka ba? Laban lang ka FI, kabayan ka friend. Do you believe that what are currently having, it's going to be, you know, it's going to be gone at some point? This too shall pass.
Yes. Well, for one thing, knowledge is power. For those watching, yung isa pong magandang gawin natin dito is let's go back to history. The world has seen so many pandemics that almost wiped out mankind, but dito pa rin tayo, di ba? I mean, pandemics, pag nangyari yan, it just simply means it's going to reintroduce a new way of life. May magbabago, may matatanggal at magbabago. Ganun lang talaga yun. So now, if you yourself, the conviction that you have that you will rise above this better, like to stick to so goal natin to be happy. If you know that you have the conviction to rise above this, prepare yourself for the next thing that's going to happen. Yung new phase of doing business, doing work. Like yung mga hindi techie, naku po, mag-learn na namang technology ngayon, di ba?
Right.
Learn how to do just do all these things. It's preparation because this will really pass. History will show us.
Yan yata yung nagiging hurdles ngayon ng mga elderly, yung mga medyo technically challenged. So, mas lalo silang nahihirapan ngayon. I have spoken to one elderly na sabi niya, I am so bored already. Napapagod na ako, nandito lang ako sa kwarto. Hindi ko mapuntahan yung aking mga halaman, hindi ko mapuntahan yung aking puno, whatever, my garden. So, kasi nasa ibang probinsya. So, parang ang hirap na i-pacify, ang hirap na sabihan na, kaya natin to, matatapos din ito, all you just have to do is just stay there kasi mas safe ka dyan. Minsan hindi madaling ipaliwanag sa kanila yung ganung sitwasyon.
Yes.
Kasi hindi po tulad natin na we are into we can navigate technologies and gadgets and all, but for them it's not that easy. Ang hirap, kailangan pa nila ng assistance. What if they're alone at home?
That's true. Actually, sa mindset yan di ba? Pag open yung mind, madali talaga. The human mind is amazing. All you have to do, lalo mo talaga siya naiintindihan The human mind will only follow what it is that you're telling it. If you're going through the pandemic and you practically, totoo talaga to. I'm not enjoying this, okay? Who is enjoying this? If you come to think of it, sa totoo lang, who is enjoying this? Who is enjoying the lockdown? I pretty much live alone in my flat here in Abu Dhabi, and there are days that I get lonely. And most of the time, I'm very happy na I have all the space and all that. But here's the thing about the human mind. Kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa kanya, maniniwala lang talaga yan. And it will follow it, and then the body will follow. So all you have to keep telling yourself is, oh, I love this. I love this. I'm enjoying this. I'm gonna come out of this a better person, a stronger person, a wiser person. And then, aside from saying those things, talagang you match it up with things that yung pwede mong gawin. Take up online courses, get certification, exercise, eat well, connect with people. Tsaka talagang positive. I'm a believer kasi na whatever you tell yourself, maniniwala lang yan. You're the best cheerleader for yourself, and you should be your worst critic. So, yun.
At this juncture, at this point po, I think it's time for us to read some comments. I've been seeing a lot of comments coming through. Orly, would you mind reading them?
Yeah, we would like to invite more audience to share their insights about this topic, and then they will have the chance to win the gold bracelet that we are giving away today. So basahin natin from Hail. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Aganda, no? Kalalo. Happiness is not an ideal of reason but imagination. According to her. Hail is a girl? Or
sinabi niya?
In times of... you can read the next, JC.
Wait, I'm quite lost. Ang dami nila. Happiness is not an ideal of reason, but
yung nasa screen natin.
Ang kanilang thoughts about happiness. Okay, let me go down a bit.
There is one on the screen right now. You can read it.
Right.
Yeah.
Hi Mina. Thank you for tuning in. Ang sabi ni Mina, in times of loneliness, I always turn to my family kasi sila talaga ang nagbibigay ng unconditional love. At lagi ako nagkakaroon ng lakas para sumaya ulit. Ay, totoo yan. This is more than ever, I think this is the time when you need to check on your families, kung nasaan man sila across time zones. Give them a call. We've just even taught my mother-in-law today, and she discovered how to use Zoom, and she was so happy. We can do that. We can educate our families, our loved ones. We can do even virtual dates, virtual dinners and virtual dine outs on Zoom. Diba? We can do that. So I like what you said, Mina. Going back to the basic, family, right? Okay, what else do we have here? Let me see.
From Gonzalo Montor.
This is very good.
Okay, I can't read it. Can you read it?
Can you read it for us, Rian?
Gonzalo Monter po. Sabi niya, with our situation this time, still pwede tayo maging masaya. Being free from the virus ay sobrang blessing na. Correct ka dyan, Mr. Gonzalo. Kaya dapat we should not stop praying for those who are affected. Since naka-home quarantine pa rin tayo, we can reach out to our family and friends via video calls for us to be more connected with them. Tama talaga yan. Blessing.
Totoo. Actually, tumaya tayong mas nagiging daan para mas mag-reconnect tayo sa mga mahal natin sa buhay. Yung mga hindi natin nakausap noon.
Yes. The family that are not in good, the family members who are not in good terms before, I think this is the best time to reconcile with them, no? Kasi,
No?
At
oh,
saka, you never know. That one phone call could save a life. You
That is
never know. Kasi baka yung taong yon na dapat mo, gustong-gusto mo ng tawagan, kailangan pa lang kausap, na depressed na, too anxious na siya. Pero sa pagtawag mo, nagkaroon siya ng panibagong pag-asa. So, I agree with you there. Right. Thank you. Ito pa, isa pa. From Joshol, Kilagmay. Nawala na sa screen ko.
di meron tayo sa screen fina-flash na natin. Accept the
Oo,
reality
okay.
and have positive mindset according to Jeshol. Okay. Kilagmay.
Right. Ito pa, meron sinabi si Makaya. Makaya Click Erots. Cultivating
We're
an
getting
attitude
to
of wait, gusto ko yun. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude. Yan. And feeling grateful for what you have in your present life has been shown to be associated with greater happiness or success and well-being. Makaya, how do you pronounce her name? I hope I'm pronouncing it properly. Makaya, really nice. I like this message. Even Oprah, Oprah Winfrey, she believes in writing notes of gratitudes, every single day.
Your children are.
You can add this on this cultivating gratitude. You know that you can try this back at home. Try feeling angry and grateful at the same time. Hindi po sila pwedeng magsabay. You cannot. You cannot. Grateful and angry. You cannot. So if you're angry at someone, stop yourself and be grateful. Or might as well be grateful na lang for everything. Bilangin yung small blessing.
Sabi nga ni Paul nila, if you try to write down, please correct me, Rev, if I'm wrong, pero may mga nababasa kasi ako mga book, for example, try to write down mga things you're grateful for, say 3 to 5 every single day. And then it bump up your mood. It boosts your mood straight away.
Yeah,
because you're thinking of something good.
Yeah. In fact, even when I pick up my phone to reply to a message, I say, thank you for Wi-Fi. Thank you for electricity. Everything. Lahat na lang, kahit na malilit na bagay, eventually it becomes part of your fiber, yung gratitude.
Meron nga akong binabasang book ni Bo Sanchez. I think it's a Heart Detox. That's the title of the book. And he's talking about try for a few weeks, thinking about all negative, all of the bad things happening in your life, everything. You'll become a different person because you know what? You'll become a spirit.
That's true.
Mamamatay ka daw. Sabi niya, mamamatay ka sa sama ng loob dahil lahat na ay puro negative. But change it. Do a 360-degree turn and think about positive things in your life, things that are happening, good things that are happening to you, I should say. Sabi niya, gaganda ang buhay mo, magiging maganda ang relasyon mo sa mga tao, magiging maganda ang relasyon sa sarili mo. And I think that's what we should really be doing right now. Imbis na we're thinking about people are dying, people are getting sick. I've lost my job.
It's a reality.
Perhaps what we are talking before when we just opened the program were the blessings that in the middle of this crisis we are still lucky and blessed. But what about these people who have terminated from work, who have no work, no pay condition, and iba yung pag-iisip nila kaysa sa naisip natin ngayon. So,
yes.
What do you think is the best advice that we can deliver to them right now? Kasi yung sacrifices and struggles nila, syempre kahit papaano maswerte pa rin tayo because we can just think of the positivities nila, parang hindi na nila maisip kung paano maging positive, di ba?
Yes. Parang sinasabi siguro nila easy for you to say to be happy.
Because so, madam, paano yan?
That is true. I think, Orly, JC, the three of us here, we've gone through also our difficult times. Tayo, di ba? So I always go back to ano bang ginawa ko? Talagang normal yan eh. You'll grieve, you'll cry, you'll feel bad, you'll feel depressed. Look, don't be ashamed to ask for help. Don't be ashamed to ask for help. Alam mo yung sinasabi ko palagi, wala tayong right, we can't complain. But I make this as my personal mantra in life. Hindi ka pwedeng magreklamo kung hindi mo pa yan iniyakan in prayer. So I will first cry about that privately in prayer, and then magreklamo ako, and then hihingi ng tulong, whatever. So these are the steps. Huwag yung baliktad, yung reklamo muna, or hihingi ng tulong, hindi ka pa nga umiyak nun secretly in prayer. So yun yung ko, first the internal life, palabas ng palabas, hanggang sa you ask for help. Don't be afraid to cry about it, be as raw and as real in prayer, tapos po, humingi ng tulong. At saka for us that are in a position to help, ito lang yung moments like these, very redefining po. I've seen, alam mo, I'm so proud of the Filipino community. Ito talaga yung masasabi ko. There in Dubai, in Abu Dhabi, kahit na ibang lahi po, I'm not sure if there are other nationalities watching us, but I even have friends of different nationality, and sinasabi nila that, wow, you Filipinos are really something else. You guys are helping each other. Apparently, sa kanila pala, even the government does not even give assistance. So, tayo talaga, hats off sa Pinoy. Now, hindi po mapagkailan na mas maraming matatamaan ito. There will be many jobs that will be lost. It is a fact that the entire world will enter into recession. Indicated nga sa US is about...
it's not easy to Tagalogin natin, hindi madaling tumulog dito sa gitna silangan dahil may guidelines tayo sa pagbibigay ng suporta, di ba? Pero ang mga Pilipino kababayan natin talaga, nag-isip sila ng paraan paano nila matatago ang tulong na yon, di ba?
Yes.
So,
nag-iisip ng paraan, the legal way, the proper way. Hindi sila humihinto. No matter what regulations is there, they try to find a way. Pero kailangan ay within pa rin sa boundaries, sa limits ng regulation, local regulations.
Yes. So I'm just amazed with that. So pag kayo po ay nasa point na you are so depressed, ask for help, seek help. And for those naman po that are in a position to help, reach out. Yun lang naman talaga yung if it's going to be tough, it's going to be tough for more people compared. Actually, majority tatamaan talaga eh. Tatamaan ng kahit na not just the financial aspect, but the emotional aspect. We will all be hit. I think even the three of us here will enter into depression at some point because it's very normal. Let's help. Let's help each other. Let's talaga lift each other up. Ang mangyayari talaga yan. Let's lift each other up.
Anxiety, depression, lahat. Tapos, kahit sabihin natin na i-condition natin yung mind natin sa pag-isip natin, di ba? Eventually,
yung tanong early, really a valid questioning. Alam mo yun, yung parang the three of us are okay, the others are suffering. But then again, I agree with Rev. Alam mo yun, prayer, Rev said prayer, and then you seek help. The pandemic, the thing that's happening at the moment, it's actually bringing us Filipinos even closer together. Maybe not physically, but we are in solidarity. Alam mo yun, helping one another. And I know a lot of organizations who are trying to do what they can para lang may inaibigay na bag of grocery, yung ganon, kahit na mainit sa labas, naghahatid sila ng pagkain. So, the positive aspect of that is that we come together. We are helping one another. And maybe we need to remind everybody that we are all in this together. At some point, we'll come out of this stronger. Yan, para akong politiko.
Definitely.
Right. Kanina po, gusto kong balikan po yung sinabi nyo kanina, Rev, na yung tungkol sa grieving. And a lot of people are crying at the time. Maraming tao na umiiyak, nadidepress. Is it okay to cry? I mean,
absolutely.
Hanggang kailan po pwedeng umiyak? Hanggang kailan po pwedeng maging malungkot?
Okay.
Meron bang date po ba yan?
Well, iba-iba tayo eh. We're built differently. Kaya lang, one thing we have in common is Yung superpower natin, yung choice. You cry. But after that, you have to make a decision to stop and then move forward. Okay? Kasi pag iyak ka lang ng iyak, you're no good for yourself, you're no good for everyone around you, for your loved ones. So, iyakan mo yan hanggang sa maubos yung luha mo. Wag naman, siguro hindi naman aabot yan ng mga isang linggo, no? I mean, a day or two, it's okay. Babalik-balik yan, it's fine. It's a natural process. Yung keywords talaga dito is honor how you feel. Honor what you're feeling. You have to honor that. You cannot deny it. You cannot disrespect it. Sasabihin mo, hindi, okay lang ako. No, you cannot say that. If you're feeling sad, feel sad. So what I do every morning, eto yun, I don't know if you guys can see it. So I make choices, okay? Can you see it?
I could barely see it because not device.
Okay, I will read it na lang, ha? Yeah, I will read it. So in the morning, I have 4 questions that I have to ask myself when I wake up. Before I get into reading messages on social media, before I even communicate with another human being, I communicate with God. Okay, kahit silently in bed, and I find a corner, and then I do my morning meditation. At saka tatanungin ko yung sarili ko, what do I want to feel today? Ano ba yung gusto kong i-feel today? Kasi kung ano yung decision mo doon, yun talaga yung babalik-balikan mo dapat. You have to make a decision. Di ba parang, kunyari nag-decision ka na Japanese yung favorite food mo, talagang walang makakapilit sa'yo kumain ng maging Korean yung favorite food mo. Japanese yun di ba? It's the same thing. Adapt the same kind of decision-making. What do I want to feel today? I want to feel happy. That means pag hindi ka naging happy, balikan mo yun. Hey, I wanted to feel happy today. I have to be happy. The next question is, what do I want to be today? Today, maybe I want to be a giver. So yung goal mo today, magbigay ka lang ng magbigay. What do you want to give? It's up to you. It could be financial. It could be inspiration. It could be support, encouragement, whatever it is. It's according to what's available for you. Hindi mo naman pwede kasing ibigay yung wala ka. And then, what else? What do I want to give? Yun. That's the third question. What do I want to be? A giver. I want to be a supporter. I want to be just a refuge for anyone, yung ganun. And then what do I want to give? And then the fourth question is, what do I want to receive? I want to receive peace. I want to receive. So yun. What do I want to feel? What do I want to be? What do I want to give? And what do I want to receive? Stick to that. At saka gawin mo siyang guideline. In the middle of the day, pag nawawala ka na doon, balikan mo naman. Teka, sabi ko, I want to be happy today. Bakit hindi ganito? So then you'll be happy. You have to have a guideline. Parang, kasi pag dream and goal lang yan, pag walang execution, walang planning, hindi naman mangyayari yun
Ganda.
Speaking of dream and goals, ang ganda nga no? Mag-drill down pa tayo ng konti.
Yes.
Rev, is it true? Kasi marami ako nakakausap na marami rin ako nababasa tungkol sa mga overachievers.
Yes.
Most overachievers daw are sad and depressed.
Overachievers, okay.
That's
I'm sad. Are you sad? I'm sad. Joke.
Are you sad? Are you sad already?
I'm sad. Okay.
More prone to depression. More prone to depression. Kailan? Kasi ganito yun I think a lot of people that have experienced success had to be alone to get there. Alam mo yung being alone, it's a very nice place. Nasasanay ka dun Parang the more you get so used to being alone, pag mas okay siya. Kaya para sa tingin ng tao, sadness yun. Kasi melancholic siguro. Parang ganun. But I don't think, I don't think that, I think overachievers are smart enough that when they're sad, they know how to get themselves out of it and then be of good use. Yung hindi magwawalo into depression.
They never stop. I mean, they achieve one thing and then after that, it subsides and then they want another thing. And then until they realize I am not happy anymore because I want more and more and more. I want something better and better. It's like their whole life, hindi naman ako nagkakaroon, anong tawag ko doon? Double standard. Nothing like that. I'm just saying na parang their whole life, it's about dreaming and achieving. And when they get there, they're still sad.
Okay.
They're still sad.
That must be a form of depression. Kasi yung sadness, remember kanina yung happiness, sinasabi natin, it's people may look for different things in life. They may look for success, financial, they may look for relationships. But ultimately, yung meaning talaga ng mga yun is happiness. Because I want financial stability because that makes me happy. I want a good marriage because that makes me happy. So yung meaning nun. So baka the people that you're talking about, these overachievers, maybe their meaning of certain things is a little bit skewed somewhere. So basically, yung happiness natin is the meaning of that we give to certain things. So
at the bottom line, it talks about the meaning that you attach to whatever you're doing,
yes,
to your goal.
whatever it is. Like for instance, alam mo yun, yung husband and wife are talking and then the wife gets hurt about something. Basically, the husband did not intend to hurt her. It's the meaning that she gave whatever it is. Mali naman, it's miscommunication. It's meaning talaga eh. So if overachievers are probably, pag naging sad sila, is baka yung kulang yung attachment nila doon, the meaning that they're looking for is validation, which they're not getting, but maybe they're getting the awards and all that, but the validation from a loved one or a father, yung mga ganon. It's case-to-case basis yun. But generally, overachievers are amazing because they're world changers, if you think about it. Yeah. Oh, so sadness is a small price to pay.
Yes, the world becomes a better place because of their achievements.
Yeah,
you mentioned for validation. A lot of people, and I am one of them, guilty. We usually post on social media. We expose our lives on social media. But at the end of the day, we become even sadder and lonelier. It's because we tend to seem to compare our lives with curated lives on social media. What's your insight about that?
Okay, you notice this. Before the lockdown, before the quarantine, yung lahat ng tao nakalabas, nakabihis in the morning, nakapunta sa kung saan-saan dyan, kumakain. Lahat may picture. Ngayon that everyone's at home, in their real color, the real skin, halos walang nagpo-post. So, people are, it makes you, I was reflecting on this, sabi ko, yung tao pala for a long time were into the, talagang polished life, yung curated. And I believe that all of this, that's one of the reasons why siguro yung nangyaring lahat na to, so that we go back to the basic of everything. Oo, yung how authentic things are. Ako nga it's like, I'm telling you, I personally, I don't use as much makeup anymore. Diba tayo, parang ibang klase. I have not worn my high heels in 2 months. And I'm doing a talk with you, pero naka-Indian sit ako dito and bare feet and all that. But we are becoming more comfortable communicating and knowing that we are seen by people we don't know, kahit na in our homes. Dati hindi naman yan nangyayari. I would never post a photo inside my private spaces. Nagiging we are going back into the things that matter the most. So I think, imagine how big the industry, the beauty industry, it's a multi-billion industry in makeup, in clothing, designer clothes. I don't think they're selling much nowadays. So, what's happening? Parang na-redefine talaga kung ano yung importante. Diba?
Okay, po. Thank you, Rev. Let's try to read some more comments here. Let's see what we have here. Stay connect. Sabi pa rin ni Jeshel Kilagmay. Teka lang, sandali lang po. Hindi ko siya maibaba. Right, ito na lang. Si Breck Bin Sarah. Breck says here, I always think and say to myself, thank God, I am happy and blessed with what I have now. Whatever difficulties I am encountering now, I always say, thank God. If I allow sadness in my life, I won't be able to move forward. So I maintain positive mindset in everything I do. Everything will be okay.
Will be okay.
Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Sana na mabasa ng mga, kasi syempre ngayon marami tayong mga kababayan. Actually, not only kababayans. A lot of people around the world are sad at the moment because of what's happening. If they could only read these beautiful messages from our live viewers, their moods will probably be bumped up and it will be boosted Right. Okay. Do we have some more comments? Orly, do you want to read some more of these?
Yeah, I have here from Gonzalo Monter. Nabasa na ba to?
Nabasa na po siya.
Okay.
Right.
We have here from Pamela Kagilan. In this situation, think of things that will make you happy, not negative things that make us depressed, which is true. But I think it's unavoidable because kahit nasa mga sa room tayo paglabas natin, may makita tayo ng mga flatmate natin na depressed. So what do we need to do? Are we just going to let them be or are we going to tap their shoulders and give them hopes, or diba? So we are still connected with
the issue with tapping the shoulder. I'm trying to play outside.
Di pwede.
This pandemic has upended our basic needs of social connection eh. Alam mo yun, parang nagkaroon na nasira
okay.
yung
Are you saying JC? Are you saying JC that social distancing could be a big excuse now when someone wants to talk to you, knocking on your door, borrowing money? So I'm sorry, I cannot open the door because I'm maintaining a social distancing.
No, what I'm trying to say is that ito yung point kasi. This is the irony of it all. We are all social beings. We need for our well-being to boost, kailangan natin ng somebody to comfort us, somebody to hug us when we are feeling down, when feeling lonely and depressed. But we can't do that. What if you're alone? You cannot just go out to your friend's house and say, hug mo naman ako kasi kailangan ko ng kausap,
yes,
kailangan ko ng our basic needs. We are social beings. It's difficult to think that we will be living in a world where we cannot physically connect with the people that we care about. Napakahirap, napakasakit, parang hindi ko ma-imagine. Kaya nga nagkakaroon tayo ng depression and anxiety. Marami sa mga kababayan natin ang nakakaranas yan dahil hindi magkaroon ng physical connection. Lalo na mag-isa lang dito sa UAE, for example, di ba? Nandoon na yung isolated ka, feeling ka na isolated ka na dahil hindi ka makalabas, isolated ka pa kasi hindi mo makausap o hindi mo mayakap man lang yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. That's what I'm trying to say, Orly. Was that a long explanation?
No, it's okay.
But even so, there is social media. This is where beauty of technology comes in.
Yeah, just to give an answer to Gonzalo Monter. Yeah, thank you, Orly, JC Rev, and to FI for this informative episode. I enjoyed listening the program while doing some personal work on my laptop. Okay, yes, yeah. Nice. Diba? Anything, any advice matters nowadays, diba? Kahit na yung taong hindi mo pinapaniwalaan before, ngayon, talagang it matters to us. Lahat ng kahit ano pang sabihin ng mga kaibigan natin. Diba?
Yeah.
JC?
Yes. So once again, we are going to be giving away a gold bracelet to a lucky viewer tonight. Of course, courtesy of our partner, Kabayan Jewelry, and I am so lucky to be wearing a set of jewelry from Kabayan.
Yeah, we were talking a while ago when we about this jewelries, about the stuff, about the things that we cannot use now since we are in the middle of this difficulty. I think Rev has a very good suggestion on how to still use this kind of jewelries and possessions that we have right now.
Oo, kasi naman gold historically, again, eto na naman ako, by history, eto talaga, lahat ng currency po ng buong mundo, whether dollar, yen, ano pa yan, Swiss franc, it's all backed up by gold. So kahit na anong mangyari sa economy, pag may gold ka, talagang avanse ka, whatever it is. baka po mawala yung value ng pera, yung actual hinahawakan mong pera. Pero yung gold na binili mo, hindi mawawala yan yung value. So, for me, gold is really, ako talaga mahilig ako to have pieces like that. Kasi kahit na hindi mo siya masuot, it's a good investment.
Ayun, nakikinig ang kabayan jewelry.
Oo, kahit na anong mangyari, pag nakabili, pag may kabayan jewelry ako, no? Let's say, nandyan lang yan sa dresser. Kunyari, things become really, really bad and you cannot even get your money in the bank anymore. Yung gold mo po, kahit na saan kayo pumunta sa buong mundo, that is your medium of exchange. Magagamit mo talaga yan. So gold for me is the ultimate investment. Better than real estate. Sorry ha, talaga. Ako, I'm a believer in gold as an investment.
Talaga, okay. Oo. That's a good point, no?
Talagang,
one of them One of them is investment, and tingnan mo naman, ma'am, ang ganda niya.
Oo naman.
Ito naman, it bumps up your confidence. Yeah, it bumps up your confidence. It bumps up your confidence, and it bumps up your happiness. Sino ayaw? Bayan Jewelry, thank you for sponsoring a gold bracelet for tonight. Pero ayan, may babasahin akong isang comment. Ang sabi ni HL ba? O HL ba ang pronunciation?
Happiness, HL, hallelujah.
Sabi niya, happiness as of now is yung makatanggap ka ng sahod. Ito yung sinasabi mo kanina, Orly. Makatanggap ka ng sahod ng buo para makapagpadala sa mahal sa buhay sa Pilipinas din ng buo. Yun. I understand. I can imagine what you're feeling at the moment, HL. But then again, sabi nga nila, di ba, Rev and Orly, there were things that are outside of our control. You know, so kahit pa umiyak tayo ng umiyak, we can't do anything about it unless, of course, we try to change our perspective. Yun na yung pumapasok yung sinasabi ni Rev kanina na attaching meaning to what's happening to you and your goal. Yun. Ayan, meron pa siyang crying emoticon dito. Basahin din natin yung iba. Wait, just hang on. Sabi
marami
ni,
ba?
Marami pa. There are a lot of, sabi ni Jaisel, hi Jaisel, sabi niya, there are a lot of reasons to be happy despite of the pandemic we are experiencing right now. Realizing that there is God who will not abandon us, family and friends who will love and care for us, and ourselves that will push us to be more stronger and positive. Ayan, thank you. That's a very positive note, Jaisel. Thank you so much. Mayroon pa tayong iba dito. I'd like to say hi. Yan, family sabi. Family daw. Pwede mo mag-shout out sa family ko.
Sure.
Hello to my family back in Pangasinan and Nueva Ecija, and sa aking mother-in-law na nasa Quezon at the moment. Hello po sa inyo dyan. I miss you all. Although, lagi ko pa silang kausap sa Zoom, and thanks to technology. So, okay. Yeah. Here we go. Another question here. Another comment here. From Jane Ryam. Let's just stay positive and be content in what we have. Oo nga naman, di ba? Ba't maghanap ng wala? Kung ano yung meron tayo, di yun na yun. At the moment, appreciating little things. Happiness is what we create. The more we value our relationship with our loved ones, family, and friends, the more we become happy and in life. Keep the faith in God. That's this challenge. Keep the faith in God that this challenging time shall pass. Yon. Thank you, Jane. Mayroon siya nabanggit dito tungkol sa happiness is what we create. I have read a book about this. I don't know if you would agree, but maybe it's worth mentioning. I've read like 3 books about happiness. Bits and pieces of it. Hindi naman lahat-lahat. Hindi naman ako ganun ka-bookworm. Pero there were, isa lang ang sinasabi nila eh. Unhappiness is manufactured daw. Tayo lang daw nag-create sa mind natin. Ang sabi ni Bo Sanchez, the mind is the battlefield. Ang sabi naman ni Dr. Peel, yung author ng The Power of Positive Thinking, which was published in 1952, ang sabi niya, unhappiness is manufactured in your mind. So they're all saying the same things. Ibig sabihin pala, pwede nating i-counter yon. Imbis na mag-manufacture ka ng something negative, Why don't we create something positive in our heads? Paano po pwede gawin yun? Do you agree with that, Rev?
Decision. That's why I said it's not based on your condition. It's based on your
Your
decision.
decision.
So you just have to wake up every morning with a decision. I'm gonna be happy. Today, I'm not giving myself in to
Yeah.
unhappiness. Alam mo, my daughter is 18. Even from the age of like 8 yata, pag na-feel na niya na she's becoming negative, alam sasabihin nun, not today, Satan, not today. Ganun yun eh. Not today, Satan, not today. So parang you have to seize your day. You have to own your day. Every day
Yeah.
is a battle in itself. So you have to fight for it. You have to win it. Win it for
Gusto ko
happiness.
po, gusto ko
Diba?
yun. That one. And sa pagka may something negative, not today, Satan.
Not today,
They
Satan.
say it later on.
Oh, parang alam mo yung feeling. I want hell to react like this, oh. Pag gising mo sa umaga, 'di ba? Yung paa mo bababa sa kama, no? Pag patong pa lang ng paa mo sa floor, sasabihin ng hell, "Uh-oh, she's up." Parang sila yung takot sa kasi ikaw yung super positive. So parang yung paa ni Orly pa lang pagbaba sa sahig, sasabihin, "Uh-oh, Orly's up." There goes positivity. Problema na natin to. So parang ganun. You have to be a force to be reckoned with. And you cannot do that without a battle inside. So talagang you have to prepare. What I like about this pandemic is, alam mo, ako nga di ba? Look at that. What I like about it, what I love about it, is I have to keep saying that I'm actually appreciating what it's doing. Ang dami kong nagawa na hindi ko nagawa dati. I finished the certification course. I got other things. I am rebuilding my website towards a different direction. Tayo lahat po, meron tayong mga dreams na sabi natin dati, I don't have the time, I'm busy. Ngayon, pwede na. You have no excuse, okay? If you are still not doing it, it's up to you already. Hindi mo na talaga, baka you don't want it bad enough. Now, the good thing about this pandemic is the fact that ang daming natuturo sa atin, you know? We're realizing so many things. And if we don't come out of this so much better, kunyari nangyari to like 2-3 months, if in June, pareho pa rin tayo in February when this started, we've lost. Because we should be different already. We should be so much better. We should be happier, we should be stronger, we should be wiser. At saka nag-pivot ka na sana sa career. Meron ka nang dinagdag na side hustle. Yung mga ganon. If within this time, wala kang nadagdag, you've wasted the opportunity. Sayang.
I read one post that Rev saying that during this pandemic, if you don't come out of it as more, it's more learned. If you don't come out of it learning a new language or learning a new musical instrument or improving in your career or whatever, you know, then or even becoming leaner and fitter, sabi doon, then dati yung excuse na I don't have time, that's not really the reason. The reason is you don't have the will. You don't have the goal.
Yes.
Yun. So kailangan mo na maging fit. No, not really. My mother, I was like having a Zoom video conference with my mother yesterday, and she was like, all of my sisters are trim and nice, looking fit, and she was like, my mother was, bakit ang laki mo?
Sabi nga, okay lang yun. Okay lang maging malaki, okay lang maging super payat, okay lang maging itsura mo during kahit during this time. Kasi nga sabi nila, the only thing that will make you happy is being happy with who you are, di ba? Kasi ang nangyayari ngayon, ang dami nating na-discover sa sarili natin because we have a lot of time. So, ang dami nating na-discover na skills, marami tayong na-discover na imperfections about ourselves. So, pagka siguro napag-aralan natin na matutunang mahalin natin yung mga yon at magiging happy talaga tayo. I think that's...
Rev, we have asked a lot of questions, kay Rev, but I'd like to, because the books she has written are within my genre. They are my genre. I'd like her to talk about which one of those 3 books you have authored is your favorite. I'm sure you love them all, but which one would you probably, recommend to me, for example? Ano po yung pwede niyong i-recommend sa akin among your book?
I'm sending you BU. Okay, I'm giving you BU. Yeah, I'll need your address after this, Jace. Ganito yung sinasi. I wanted you to be happy. Happiness yun eh. I wanted, when I finished BU, I asked my editor, sabi ko, how come I feel so in love with this book? And I don't feel that way with the other books. Sabi niya, it's very normal. Every author is like that. Every time the new baby comes out, yun yung nagiging favorite nila. In fact, normal pala talaga yun. So yeah, my women's book, I like it for you as well. It's through Amazon. I should get copies of that for coming here. But currently, meron ako BU. I'll send you a copy. Don't worry. Yes.
Thank you. So it's BU, yeah. For those for our viewers who failed to listen to the titles of the books, I've mentioned that when we commence with our program tonight, ang titles ng books ni Rev ay Me Time. The second one is Your Child, the Champion, and then the other one is BU, How to Be Free and Attract Success. So you can live fully. Ang ganda ng title.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng title.
Cathartic and very healing. No, I only write accidentally.
Bonus point po natin, a bonus piece of advice para sa mga viewers po natin who would really want to become an author or write their own books, but they could not start because they don't know how. Maybe what give them.
Yeah, your ideas. Ito yun eh. This is a fascinating thing. Liz Gilbert wrote a book called Big Magic. I love it. Life-changing sa akin yun. Sinabi niya doon na the universe is constantly dropping ideas. So pag nag-drop ng idea yun sa'yo and you don't run with it, aalis yan. The idea will stay with you for a while, pero aalis yan after a while and move to another person. So if you feel that you have an idea that you want to write about, just write it. Just write it. Kahit na hindi siya masyadong perfect in terms of
mga ritual, you're looking for parang your the most comfortable situation where you are conducive for writing or
yeah.
Wala kang ginagawa.
Yeah. Currently, I like my situation because I live alone. I have all the space. That day, when I was back home in the Philippines, when I was writing, I would wake up in the morning, mga 4 or 5 in the morning, when the household was so quiet, wala talagang noise, and I write. I do my best writing at about 4, 5, 6 in the morning. Until siguro mga 7. After that, I don't want to write anymore. Tsaka pag nagsusulat ako, I want walang tao. Some people can write anywhere. Now, in case na you want to write and then you don't feel that you're confident enough sa form, yung ganon sa grammatical form, always be confident na may mga editors naman eh. They can always do that. So, pag writer ka, hindi mo na trabaho yun. Trabaho na yun ng editor.
So there's one tip again from Rev in this episode.
Okay, so yeah, that completes
our
episode, our Mother's Day presentation for our the FI community and the rest of the Filipinos here in the UAE. So
right, Orly, I think is it time now for us to announce the winner? Are we going to announce the winner of the gold bracelet? And how would they claim the gold bracelet, Orly?
They can once you announce the winner, because you're the one who is going to pick the winner, the lucky winner. They can claim their the prize sa shop ng Kabayan Jewelry, which is located in Satwa. So
right. Meron ba silang kailangan na ipakitang voucher or they'll just have to go there and claim the?
They just have to go there. I think we have to communicate with them after the show. Yeah, after the show. So there's no voucher needed. They just have to.
We're going to message them.
We're going to message them. Okay.
Right. Okay.
But this time we would like to thank, of course, Reeve for guesting and for making your time for this show, and we appreciate it very much. And sana marami tayong na enlighten mga emosyon ngayon, 'di ba?
Right. I think may bahaba pa na tanong. Yes, kay
So
Ma'am Rev.
nice. Yeah, sabi niya, how can he reach me daw? Mention my account,
Yeah, that's
website. Okay, Gonzalo, thank you so much for this. My website is currently under construction, but it's https revabelarde.com, REVE Abelarde, the same way that it's read there, reviabelarde.com. That's my website. It should be up by the end of the month po. It's transferring kasi siya ng domain. Now, you can find me on Facebook under Revi Abelarde. Okay, REVE. I just read it as Rev kasi it's French for the word dream as Rev. Pero Revi yung spelling niya, Revi Abelarde. Find me on Facebook. I'll add
okay.
you.
Last
And
question. Last question.
I want to
Yeah.
send a book to Gonzalo. Can I send a book?
Oh,
Yes.
so generous, like
Yes, I want to send it through JC. Jace, I'll
This-
need your address and then I'll send his book
this
through
is
you.
really a Mother's
Yeah.
Day special. No? Okay, a book from a mom. Okay, so
Yes.
you mentioned about the dreams that I asked you earlier, yung mga dreams na parang gumuho, no?
Yes.
What about migrating to other places? What how is it now?
It's ongoing. The process within the embassy is ongoing naman siya. Kaya lang, some countries are not as aggressive. That's why I'm currently pushing for Canada. Kasi ibang klase si Canada. If you've
Okay.
seen if you've seen the speech of Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, kakaiba. Kakaiba yung nila pag-alaga. If you're Canadian, permanent resident or citizen, hindi ka na nga lumalabas ng bahay. Pera nilalagay sa bank account mo, dideposito ng government. Pagkain hinahatid, medicine hinahatid. You're taken care of. Tsaka ang gwapo ng Prime Minister nila.
That's another topic. It's one whole big topic.
So Gonzalo is so lucky, Gonzalo. Okay. So maraming salamat, JC. Would you like to add?
Siguro kailangan na natin i-announce yun ng winner. Ganito, we did not actually really create any criteria for judging kung sino
Yes.
ang manalo ng gold bracelet. But what we agreed on, what Orly and I agreed on a while ago is that I will encourage them to share, like and share this video. And of course, they should comment kung may mga tanong tayo, sasagutin nila, or any insights they have about the topic. That they can share by commenting, yun na magiging basis natin. Pero I think mas maganda kung si Rev ang ating papiliin ng mananalo.
Yeah, why not? Okay, our shop. Wait. We have here the shop, the exact location of the shop, located in number 19th Street, Satwa Road, Satwa. Okay, so the shop's location is flash on the screen right now. Okay, but before we request Rev to let's give her the time to choose, to pick the
What do you choose though?
Sige, mamaya natin i-reveal. But since we are celebrating a very special episode now, it's Mother's Day, I would like to thank every mothers out there. Not to thank, but to greet. Especially our, yung mom natin sa Filipino Institute, si Ma'am Camille Rimando. Ayan, happy Mother's Day, Ma'am Camille. Sa lahat ng mga mothers natin na deans, trainers, and all the students who are moms, happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. And of course, my good friend JC, who is also celebrating Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day,
Right.
JC. And mula sa puso ko, tanggapin mo ang regalong ito na ipinadadating ko sa iyo. At mula sa Kabayan Jewelry, may regalo rin sa iyo ang Kabayan Jewelry. Ayan. Okay. So,
Seriously? Oh my gosh!
So, happy Mother's Day to you. Ang layo kasi ng Abu Dhabi, friend.
A present! Oh my gosh! I'm so happy!
Okay.
Pwede ko bang ipakita? I have a pearl set. So, it's a pair of earrings and kwintas siya. I'm so happy. Thank you, Kabayan Jewelry. Thank you
And
so
also,
much. Thank you. Yan.
May gift din ako sa'yo. Grabe ka.
Pero ang gift, oh my God.
Yan nandyan. Yung sa ilalim na sopa mo nandyan. Yan nandyan. Diba?
Hindi ako focus kailangan bigyan din natin si Ma'am Rev. Meron tayo
Yes, na.
para kay Ma'am Rev. Ano, Orly? We have to have something. Meron ako free book. I am so blessed. I am so blessed. Thank you so much. I'm going to be having a free book, and I have a set of pearl earrings, and
Oh, you so deserve it.
thank you so much. Thank you. Alam mo, hindi ko maipakita. Ayan. Thank you so
sige.
much. I really appreciate this. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy.
Okay.
Baka I can send Gonzalo Monter, his book directly. What do you think? Para hindi ka na mahirapan, JC.
I'm sorry po. I'm
Baka
sorry.
I can directly send Gonzalo Monter his book. No, is there
Yes
a way
po,
that I can do that?
Let's ask Gonzalo Monter to maybe send an email, send his email ID to Orly or to this.
Yes.
I don't know. Is that even possible, Orly?
Ano daw?
Kailan
Ano
paano
sabi?
ka yung book copy, yung ebook kay Gonzalo Monter?
Ano gagawin? Sino ba yung nalala?
Pwede mag-message na sa FI.
We need to give the ebook to Gonzalo Monter. So maybe I would suggest Gonzalo Monter. I'm not sure if it's okay to flash your what's his email ID here. You can
Maybe
PM na lang. PM.
Kasi lagi mag-usap sa akin ng kabayan jewelry ngayon. Kaya Oo.
Thank you. You know what? Ma'am Rev, meron pang isa dito na she also wants your book. Si
Really?
Breck Ben Sara.
Oh,
She
just
says
let her-
here,
Yeah.
Breck Ben Sara says, Ma'am Rev, I want also, if it's okay, kahit yung old books lang. Oh,
No,
naku,
I'm not
talagang
sending you a new book. I'll send Sarah, I'll send you a new book. Just send your contact details through JC or Orly, and then I'll send it directly. I'll be more than happy.
Yes. Ayan, ang dami natin napapasaya ngayon, di ba?
Yay! Sino na kaya mananalo? Ma'am Rev, meron ka na ba bang napupusuan sa mga nag-comment dyan? Pwede natin pagbigyan.
How do I pick?
I can see some of my friends watching with us. I wish I could tell you, my friend, kaya like it's not gonna be there, so...
I actually saw one. It flashed. Ang daming hearts. Ang dami niyang hearts eh. Nag-flash kanina, all caps. Ang dami. Her name starts
Positivity
with
yan.
letter H. Parang letter H yung start ng pangalan niya.
Let's. Ayan, si Chassie.
Good morning.
Yung ba yun?
Hael,
Yes,
hallelujah,
I saw that.
Kalaway. Ay, sabi niya, yay! Hope to
Yun.
win, positivity.
Oh,
She attracted.
There.
So, ang winner natin, may winner na tayo, si Hale. Hale ba yan? Hael, Alleluia, Alalo. Diba?
That's it.
Yay! Congratulations sa sabi niya.
Happiness is not an ideal of reason, but imagination.
Oh, you
Ang
had to go
sabi
with
ni Hael, it's gonna be his or her birthday. Babae, but I'm sure it's a girl, right? Hael
Yes.
says it's his birthday on the 20th of May. Yeah. Happy birthday!
Congratulations, Hel.
Okay, so maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin na nakasama natin. Ayan, dumating na yung regalo ko sa'yo. Pagpasensyahan mo yan. Na-deliver pala. Maraming salamat. Ayan.
I wasn't expecting anything. Thank you so much. This is lovely. These are really lovely.
Fred, lagi mo siyang i-spray ng konti-konti every time kasi yung sense of smell daw pag nawala, yun ang mga sintomas, di ba? Am I correct? Yeah.
Sense of smell. Okay, congratulations to Hael, Alleluia, Kalalo for winning a gold bracelet from Kabayan Jewelry. And so all you need to do is to visit their shop located in Satwa, and you can present your ID ba? Kailangan natin ng buong pangalan. Paano natin malalaman?
Yeah. We will be communicating with them later after the show at magbibigay tayo ng instructions sa kanya. But yes, we would like to thank, of course, Rav Abelarde for guesting in our show. very special ang
Eh,
nangyari kasi ang daming ano talaga, ang dami nag-participate at ang dami ring napaligaya sa mga shinare niya sa atin.
Thank
oo
you.
nga, kasi yun ang
Final
end.
message, Rev, final message.
Yeah, okay. I just want to thank you, Orly, Miss JC. Thank you so much for this opportunity. At saka thank you sa lahat po na nanonood ngayon. My final message, choice is your superpower, okay? You will be sad. It's normal. It's a normal process in life. Kaya lang, you have to make a choice. You have to fight for the choice every day to be happy. This pandemic, if you choose to look at it as a blessing, it's going to be difficult. But I know you're intelligent enough, look at it as a blessing that something better is going to come out. You'll be better, the world will be better, everything else will be better, your relationships will be better, most importantly your relationship with God will be better. Tsaka yung sinabi kanina ni JC, just to wrap up lang talaga, na parang mahihirapan tayo kasi kulang na yung physical interaction. Well, the bigger part of us is actually we are spirit beings in a physical body. So we should develop more na kahit na walang touch, we're feeling people. Scientifically, our energy should be felt 3 meters away. So kahit na hindi tayo nagtatouch, we can feel each other. Ganun talaga yun. So be happy, stay safe everyone, and spread love and positivity.
You're
Thank
so
you very much,
insightful.
Rev.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Thank you.
You
Okay,
you feel the
bye-bye. Take care
words of
always.
wisdom.
Stay
Thank you.
beautiful. Stay
Thank you.
yeah.
Thank you for
Maraming
having
salamat.
me here. I enjoyed. I
Yeah.
really
See you
enjoyed.
soon.
Thank you.
Much. Thank you. We'll be one of these days we'll be inviting her again, I'm sure.
Ang
Ang sarap
saya,
kausap.
nakakaaliw kasi ang dami mong napupulot, di ba?
Oo.
There are really
Uh,
circumstances na talagang hindi natin inaasahan, but katulad yan, hawak mo ngayon, di ba inasahan? I'm just kidding. But because we are
Natutuwa
very
talaga
blessed
ako.
today, JC. Yeah, mamaya ka naman muna maging excited.
Diba?
Oo.
Kahit ako, ayun, thank you, Kabayan Jewelry. Thank you so much for my
Yeah.
set of pearl jewelry. Yan, naku,
Bracelet,
diba?
bracelet yan. Okay. So ngayon, gawin nating makabuluhan.
Ito?
Ha?
I didn't see actually. Oh, it's bracelet.
Yeah, gawin
It is
nating
bracelet.
makabuluhan ang natin, ang bawat minuto, ang bawat oras kasi nasa sa atin din naman, 'di ba? Para hindi tayo maging depressed, maging mag-isip ng kung ano-ano. Because there are a lot of things right now. There are a lot of productive things that we can enjoy and we can avail us, like what the Filipino Institute is giving us the opportunity to learn sa e-learning, 'di ba? So the next batch just started their classes last May 8 at the enrollment still ongoing, so we are still accepting students. So lahat ng gustong mag-aral, ito po yung pamamaraan na magiging productive tayo na hindi natin kailangan mag-isip ng negativity, 'di ba? Okay, and it's already out. The Global Filipino magazine is already out, and we are here on the page. What page is that?
We're there.
Okay.
Kabayan.
I forgot
one.
You have the copy. You have the copy with you. No, you have the copy with you.
I have a copy? It's always like a surprise for me.
A surprise.
Okay. Pina-quarantine pa.
Oo, mahigpit na quality control. Okay.
Hindi basta maipasok, but really, thank you so much. Thank you, Kabayan Jewelry, for the gift, for the Mother's Day gift. I'm so, it's overwhelming. You know, it's actually not just a value. It's not just because it's a jewelry, you know, but it's because if somebody remembers you, you remembered me. Thank you, Orly. It makes you feel special.
And like what Reeve, I just want to share also again what we've just read, no? Just share with us about the gold, the value of the gold, di ba? Ang ganda nun, na. Wala akong naisip yun na pwede natin gawing investment talaga. That
Ayan,
is really
yan. Look. Yan.
ganda.
Gaganda ka na. Mabubus pang iyong confidence. Meron ka pang investment. So, Kabayan Julie, thank you once again. So you've said your piece already about our topic. I hope our viewers learned a lot today. Again, you see what we are trying to do here is we're trying to create a community where we all learn from one another. Sharing of best practices, di ba? Ika nga. So we try to understand that there are people who have gone ahead of us in facing life surprises and challenges, and we're trying to learn from them, pick up
Okay.
or to face challenges. Right. Okay.
Maraming salamat. That completes our episode, special episode about Mother's Day today. And maraming salamat, JC. Happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you. Thank you for the gift. Thank you, Orly, for remembering me.
Bye,
Happy
everyone.
Mother's Day. Not only, Orly, I'd like to say this. Happy Mother's Day, not only to the mothers, but those who are acting as mothers to children who are abandoned,
playing the roles of mothers to
yes, playing roles of mothers, children. And of course, happy Mother's Day also to those who are so willing and wishing to become mothers. Yeah.
And thank you very much. Thank you very much for always, being with us every Monday. Yeah, diba? So,
yes, I know it. Na-quarantine na siya. Yeah, nawala na si Orly sa ating...
nawawala tayo. At,
yeah. It's a reminder. We're overtiming na Orly, but then mga
kaya okay. So thank you very much, JC. Bye-bye. Stay safe. Regards to the family. And see you again next Monday. Same time.
Bye. Same time, same channel here. Bye. God bless.